What's up guys, welcome back to the crypto show. So guys, the most people are right now are watching the AI, but they are completely missing where the real opportunities are actually forming. There is a narrative guys building right now that almost nobody is paying attention to, and it's directly tied to a $1 trillion company. Yes, you heard it well. And the craziest part about it is that it didn't start from the headlines guys, it started from signals most people will scroll past. Definitely guys, stay with me and I'll show you right now what it is all about. So let's dive in right now. I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not your financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investments. You've probably heard of ChatGPT guys, but there is another company moving just as fast, backed by Amazon, backed by Google, and it's called Anthropic, and now being talked about at a $1 trillion valuation. This is not a small player guys, this is one of the companies actually shaping the future of the AI, which is right now really important. And Anthropic guys is a top tier AI company, but still under the radar compared to the open AI that can be right now really good for us. Now, here's where things get interesting, guys. Before something becomes obvious, you start seeing signals, guys. Developers talking, communities forming, markets slowly reacting on that, and that's exactly where we are right now in this moment. Because all these guys early signals are pointing right now in one direction. Big moves, guys, don't start just about a hype. They start with subtle signals. Remember that, guys. And this is the part, guys, most people are missed. There's actually a mascot tied to the CLAWD called CLAWD, as you can see over here with your own eyes. At the first glance it looks like just another meme, and that's exactly why most people right now and the most people ignore it. That's the problem, guys, but that's where they are wrong. The best setups usually look simple at the beginning, guys, and that's why the people overlook them, guys, in that moment. Because we have seen this exact setup before, guys, just a few weeks ago. A project called Asteroid, yes guys, ran all the way to 200 million market cap, guys, and it was based on one narrative, SpaceX. That alone was enough. Now compare that to what we are looking at here, guys, and you have it. Narratives can drive insane moves, but even with minimal fundamentals. It's really important with that as well. But this time it's not space, it's AI, the biggest narrative in the world right now. And instead of a private company like SpaceX, you're looking over here, guys, at Anthropic being valued around 1 trillion, guys. 1 trillion is the value of Anthropic. Now here's the key line, guys. Asteroid hit $200 million, but CLAWD is sitting around $1.1 million, guys. And you can right now do your maths really easily, I would say. And on that way, guys, the gap between narrative and the current valuation is what creates right now, of course, the opportunity. Why this matters, guys? Because this is the same pattern, but the underlying story is much bigger than that. AI is stronger narrative, guys, than a space hype. A $1 trillion company is stronger than speculation, and here is the most important part. There is still no public stock for Anthropic, guys, and no direct way to invest. That's exactly, of course, why attention flows into anything connected to it. When direct access doesn't exist, attention finds alternatives, guys. It's also really important to know that. Here is something that most people, guys, miss. People don't start with complex technology, they start with they recognize something simple, something repeatable, something memorable. And that's exactly how attention spreads, guys, because a simple narrative spread faster than a complex ones every single time. And right now, guys, this is over here still early. Most people haven't connected the dots yet. There is no major media coverage, no mass attention, guys. This is the phase where a few people see it, others start looking, and then everything accelerates, guys, on that way. Because remember, guys, the early stages are where narratives are built before the crowd arrives. Now, of course, guys, this isn't guaranteed. Nothing in this space, of course, is, but the setup is here, guys, and the gap is obvious. Opportunity and the risk always exist together, guys. This is what it's all about in our crypto space, especially in the early narratives. And because, guys, as you can see, the CLAWD is today with us, the CLAWD mascot that right now has to offer a really incredible things, guys. And as you can see, made by Anthropic, one of the best guys out there in this moment. You can over here find right now their socials over here on Telegram. You can right now join the portal over here, be engaged with the community, of course, get some great discussions, guys, and on that way enjoy it, I would say. On the XM Twitter, as you can see, I'm going to follow them, guys. You can do that as well. Maybe you can expect some giveaways, airdrops, but overall, guys, you're going to be covered with the major announcements, guys, the major latest news as well. And overall, guys, you're staying informed with everything what is happening with the CLAWD, because, guys, the CLAWD right now is a project with really high potential in my opinion. Or here on a DAX screen, guys, you can right now take a look at it as well. You can see right now that the price is still low, guys. Liquidity is about $109,000, guys. Market cap is about, as I have already said, guys, about 1.5 million right now. At the moment it's 1.2 million, guys. You can see right now that transactions are happening, guys. The gap is telling, guys. We have some great spikes, guys. They hit the all-time high, guys. That was about that was yesterday, the all-time high. Look at that. And that is something, guys, that is telling us that we can expect some great things from this project when I take a look over here on the chart. So guys, as you can see over here, you can guys check it out over here on a text screener, guys, and see with your own eyes that the CLAWD right now is moving, I would say, really incredible, guys, and in the right way. Over here, guys, when you click on a buy one more time, guys, you have the opportunity to buy it with the Uniswap, 1-inch core swap, matcher, guys, and as you can see as well on a DAX screener, guys, and you can check it out on Ethereum scan because right now they're operating on Ethereum blockchain. So as you can see, guys, this is incredible, guys. That is something that we can expect, guys. That can be the great potential. So guys, overall, Asteroid already showed what's possible. 200 millions in a week, guys. Now we're looking at a stronger narrative, bigger company over here, and a much earlier stage. The CLAWD is still sitting around 1.5 million right now. Most people will only notice this later, guys, when it's already much higher. So the real question here is what happens when everyone connects the dots? That's the great question, of course. So guys, what I can tell you, please let me know thoughts in comment section down below. Tell me guys what you think about a CLAWD. Check all the description box down below, and after that, smash that like, share, subscribe, it means a lot. That was a crypto show, and I'll catch you in the next video.